Hi, my name is Drew, and I'm with Sure-Trac Trailers. Today we're going to be going over some features and functionality of the Landscape gate. To keep the gate in the upright position, the trailer is equipped with a self-retaining gate pin. Then once open, the two Landscape trailer springs will help reduce the weight of the gate while raising and lowering. Another cool benefit of the gate is the fold flat feature. Simply put the lower pin in the upper hole, which allows you to lay the gate flat down inside the trailer to reduce wind drag while hauling down the road empty. The gate springs are a wear item, so over time they might need to be replaced, and to do so, you lay the gate in the fold flat position, then remove the top pins, then lift the gate and pull directly out towards you. By doing so, this releases the tension off the springs, which allows you to take off with ease. To identify the gate springs, the flat side of the spring will always go up against the gate and bumper itself. The passenger side, the upright leg will always be on the left-hand side of the spring, which will butt up against to the gate and catch into the ramp catch. The driver's side spring is going to be the opposite of the passenger side. With the flat side of the spring up against the bumper and tailgate, the upright leg will be on the right-hand side of the spring. To install the springs, we're going to take the passenger side spring with the flat side of the spring facing the front of the trailer. The left arm will go in towards the gate, whereas the driver's side, the upper arm will go in towards the gate as well. We will then push the gate back in, putting our pins back in the top position hole. Then simply lifting the gate and putting your pins back in. Again, my name is Drew, and if you have any questions about this trailer or any others, please see us at SureTrac.com.